Today's video is brought to you by Camping Roll RV Sales. No, I'm not really sponsored by anybody, but I did camp for free in their parking lot last night. I had company. This guy pulled in a little bit after me and camped in his car as well.
De fin de semana y Chevrolet, unidos llegamos lejos.
Hey guys.
It's a brisk, breezy morning here in Coronado National Forest. I'm in Madera Canyon, hoping to summit, what's the name? I almost forget. Losing track of these peaks. Mount Wrightson. From the sign you can see this is designated wilderness within national forest boundaries, so kind of limits some things you can do, such as flying a drone. Sometimes there's pet restrictions and other things, and restrictions on camping. It is windy indeed through here. We'll see if that's going to change throughout the day. Just past 1 mile mark. The winds have been unrelentless this morning, but fortunately I'm rather shielded along this trail here. Been doing some switchbacks up through here, getting close to where the loop connects, and then it's on up to the summit. I'm over 2 miles in on this hike. My watch is saying a little over 1,900 feet, but I'm checking the elevation profile because all trails is saying a little over 1,400 feet, which seems to be correct. So usually my Garmin watch is more accurate. Getting closer to the summit, we're going through a series of switchbacks, and then the approach will come around from the other side of the mountain. I just stopped and had a snack and layered up here, getting close to the summit. And it's pretty windy around here, so I may not be able to do much dialogue. I've been making pretty good time on this trail. It's about 5 miles and 4,000 feet to the summit. My Garmin said about 5,000 feet of gain. I think I just need to recalibrate it. It's off. I think I may take the other part of the loop on the latter half down. Yeah, don't let this sunshine fool you. It's still pretty frigid up this top, especially the wind blowing. Back on the other part of the loop now. See how this goes. It's a little bit longer, so it may be a little bit gradual. Not sure if this is the more scenic route, but it's definitely brighter out than it was this morning. And the view just seems to be more exposed looking down into the canyon here. Almost back to my car here. Got about 12.25 miles and of course the 4,000 feet of gain to the top. There wasn't too much ups and downs. It was pretty much straight up and straight back down. That loop on the way back probably added another 1.5 miles or two. Some pretty nice facilities here. Pretty well maintained. It's good to see they're putting the fees to use. I had to stop by the gift shop back there and see what all the melee was about. I enjoy watching wildlife, but birders are a peculiar group of people to say the least. Still on Forestry Service land here. I'm going to take a little break, have a late lunch, and thinking take my drone for a flight right here.